scandal. Actress Nomvelo Makhanya exposes her secret after breaking up. With only a few days left to Valentine's Day, the actress has revealed this will be the first one as a single lady, meaning she broke up with her man. Scandal. Actress Nomvelo Makhanya is officially a single woman now. The actress was in a serious long-term relationship with her boyfriend Xolani. However, it seems they have gone their separate ways. This confirmation came after she posted a video on Instagram. In the video, she is seen holding a bouquet of flowers, which she proceeds to put in a vase. Valentine's Day is upon us. This is my first one as a single lady. And what better way to spoil yourself than with some fresh roses? Whether you're single or in a relationship. A huge shout out to Calin Sirius for these perfect flowers. Looks like you'll be taking all my coins since I'm such a lover of perfectly arranged flowers.
Yeah.